Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you the simple ways to add a background color to text in Canva. Start by adding your text to the page. Type your desired words and customize the font style and size. Now, let's add a background. For the first method, head to the Elements tab and search for shapes. Choose a shape. Drag it onto the page. Resize and position it to cover your text. Change the shape's color to match your design. Then right-click the shape, go to Layer, and select Send Backward to place it behind the text. The second method is even quicker. Select your text and click Effects. Scroll to the Background option. This instantly adds a rounded color block behind your text. Adjust the roundness, spread, and transparency to fine-tune the look. Change the background color to anything you like. Both methods let you create clean, professional text designs in seconds. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips. Happy designing!